This video will be a very quick overview of the types of state filing obligations a small business may incur when conducting business in either their home state or if they're working in another state. So the first step is to look at the activity that you may have in a state already. Generally, this list here is going to be the most common requirements that a state looks at to determine whether there may be a state filing obligation. So, do you have rental property in that state? Do you have employees? Do you own property? Do you provide services? Are you selling tangible property outside of your home state? Or are you selling via a website to residents of another state? If you answered yes to one or more of these questions, then you may have established nexus and may have a state filing obligation. So unless you have knowledge of tax, nexus may be a word that is new to you. So nexus means a connection or a link to a state. The more nexus or interaction that you have with a state, the more likely that you may have already established nexus, which subjects you to a variety of legal and tax filing obligations in that state. Each state has its own rules for determining when you've established nexus and are subject to the state filing requirements. So some examples of state filing obligations that you may incur if you have sufficient nexus in another state is going to be the requirement to file state income tax returns, collection and remittance of sales and use tax returns, payroll taxes for employees that are living or working in that particular state. And if you've got property there, you may be subject to property taxes as well. And there may be also a variety of other different filing obligations that you could be subject to. If you are starting a new business or considering opening a new location in a different state, here's a good checklist of things to consider. Your business structure and the state requirements may determine which step is required to register your business in that state. In some cases, you may not need to register at all. You may also want to register your business name in the state so that your business name is protected at the state level if you've incorporated your business, or you may want to register it as a foreign corporation doing business in another state. And another option for securing your name is going to be registering a DBA, a doing business as name, in the jurisdictions where you plan on conducting business. Each state has its own processes for any business licenses and permits that may be required, as well as registering for payroll, sales, and income taxes in that state. There may be other filings that are required. Prior to beginning operations in any state, it is crucial that you have done your research to understand what your state filing obligations will be. Walton CPA can assist you with determining what your state filing obligations can be. As a reminder, we assist small businesses and their clients to succeed financially through quality tax, accounting, and business and advisory services. If you have any questions about this video or you need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at info@waltoncpa, or you can call us at 972-200-7335. Thanks a bunch.